My name's Adam Shorter. I work for the Parks Department and I'm a recreation supervisor with the athletics. The North Lakes Driving Range recently installed a brand new automatic ball dispenser. The idea is to allow patrons to be able to come out and get their own golf balls. To start using the golf ball dispenser, stop by the North Lakes Driving Range to pick up your new range card. From that point on, it'll be contactless transactions. Patrons can bring the range card, swipe, grab their own golf balls, then they come out and enjoy the driving range. We've enforced social distancing by each bay being 8 to 10 feet wide. Gives that extra little space in order to enjoy their time at the range. So everybody can come out and hit golf balls at a safe distance and being outdoors at the same time. Gets them out of the house, gets them doing something fun.